Hey there, all you middlemen, throw away your fancy clothes and while you are out there sitting on a fence, so come and get off your ass and come down here. Cause rock and roll and no riddles, man. To me it makes good sense. Good sense. Oh yeah, yeah. Out. Everybody out there. Happy describers are playing on my guitar. We got vibration coming off the floors. We just listening to the rock and roll that's giving me the too much noise. Are you a tough wanna cry here? Some more? We just thinking about the futures. Forget about the past. It will be with us. You're never gonna die. Never gonna die. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll and gonna die. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll, it will survive. Yes, it will survive. I took a look inside your bedroom door. You look so good lying on the bed. Well, I asked you if you wanted my rhythms and love. You say wanna rock and roll instead. We're just thinking about the futures. Forget about the past. It will always be with us. It's never gonna die. Never gonna die. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll and gonna die. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll, it's just rock and roll. Oh, rock and roll and no noise pollution. Rock and roll and gonna die. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll, it will survive. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll and gonna die. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll, it's just rock and roll. Oh, rock and roll and no noise pollution. Rock and roll and no gonna die. Rock and roll and no pollution. Rock and roll, it will survive. Shit, acid